Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL. And today is day 63 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question we are going to solve today is actor rating difference analysis. And this question got asked in Google and Netflix. So let's see what is the question. So the question is you are given a data set of actors and the films they have been involved in, including each film's release date and rating. For each actor, calculate the difference between the rating and of their most recent film and their average rating across all previous films. The average rating exclude the most recent one. Okay. Return a list of actors along with their average lifetime rating, the rating of their most recent film, and the difference between the two ratings. If an actor has only one film, return 0 for the difference and their only film's rating for both average and the latest rating fields. Okay. So what we have to do in this question, we have actors and we have their film details, like when that film got released and what is the rating of that particular film. So we have to find out the latest film of each actor, and then that top film, the latest film is going to be. We have to then take the rating of it, and then we have to take all the other films. We do not have to include latest film. We have to take the latest film rating and the rating of all other films, that is the average rating, and then we have to subtract it from the latest film rating with the average rating of all the other films. Okay. And for some actor, if there is only one row, that is only one film. So in that case, what we have to do, we have to take the latest rating as the average rating as well, and the difference between those two is going to be 0. Okay, so this is what we have to do. So how we are going to solve it? First of all, let's see the table. So we have this table here, actor rating shift, and in this we have actor name, film title, release date, and film rating. Okay, so we have these details. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to select few columns from here. That is actor name, film rating, and release date. Release date. Okay, let's run this. So we need these three columns only. So that is why I'm taking these three. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to rank these films. As it is said that we have to find out the difference between the latest film rating and the average rating of all the other films. Okay, so we have to find out what is the latest film of each actor. Okay, and we have to do it for each actor. So the partition is going to be on actor name. Okay, so I'm going to give a rank value to each actor. So for that, I'm going to use row number. So I'm going to use row number over clause. Then I'm going to write down partition by actor name and order by release date, so that the latest film will get top rating. Okay, so that we will know the first film that is ranked one is the latest film of that particular actor in descending order. Okay, let's name this as Arjun. Okay, now let's run this. It's coming. Let me again run this. Yeah. So we have this actor, Alex Taylor. Film rating is 8.5, and this is the latest film. So that is why it got ranked 1. Okay. For again, second film, rating is 6. This is the next release date, or after this, before this actually. This is the latest one. So this is before the previous one. It got released in 2021, and this got released in 2009. And the rank is 2. So like this, this is for Alex Taylor. Now, another actress is Angelina Jolie. So here is only one record. So for her, this is the latest movie that got released, and this is the rank, that is 1. Okay. So now what we have to do, we are going to do this, that as we have to subtract the latest film rating with the average rating of all the films. So we are going to create two tables. One table will have latest film information, like actor name and the film rating and the rank. Okay. Rank is not important, but like the actor name and the rating. And second table is going to take the remaining movies information. Okay. So it is going to, then we are going to find out average rating in that. And then we are going to find out the actor name. So we are going to create these two tables. Okay. And then we are going to do what? Then we are going to subtract latest movie rating with the average rating of all the other movies. Okay. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to create two tables, two virtual tables. So for that, I'm going to use CTE. So I'm going to write down with CTE as, let me close this. Here I'm going to write down select star from CTE. So if I'm going to run this, it is going to give me the same table. Now, so the first table is going to have the information of about latest film. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write down select actor name and film rating as latest rating. Okay. From CTE where Rn is equal to 1. So what if I'm going to run this, what will happen? For each actor, it is going to take the latest movies rating. Okay, the current recent one for every actor. For Alex Taylor, Angelina Jolie, Brad Pitt, and so on. Okay, so this is our first table. Okay, which is having the information about the latest movie and its rating. So I'm going to put this in another CT. Let me name this as latest. Let me close this. Like this, I'm going to create another table and it is going to have the information of about remaining movies, okay, which is not latest. Okay, so wherever the rank is greater than 1, it is those are those movies which is not latest. So what I'm going to write down? I'm going to write down same thing here and I will put it. Select actor name, film rating from CT where rank is greater than 1. Okay. And here we have to do what? We have to find out the average rating of all the remaining movies of each actor. Okay. Like what is the average rating? So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use group by. So I'm going to write on group by on actor name. And this is going to be average of film rating. And let's name this as average rating. Okay. Now let's run this. So yeah. So for Alex Taylor, the average rating is 7.52, Chris Evans 5.63, and so on. Okay, so this is the rating of all those movies which are apart from latest. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in another city. Let's name this as other. Okay, now, so now we have two tables. Okay, now we have two tables. Now what we have to do, we have to join these two tables based on the actor name. Okay, and then we have to find out the difference between the latest rating and the average rating. So if you see, we have to do what? We have to return a list of our actors along with their average lifetime rating, the rating of their most recent film, and the difference of between two ratings. So we have to return 4 things. First, we have to return actors' average rating, okay, which we get from here. Okay, the rating of the most recent film that we calculated here, which is under latest CT, and the difference between the two ratings, which we are going to calculate. Okay, so how we are going to do it? Let's do it. So I'm going to write down select. Let's leave the column name for now. I'm going to write down select from latest L left join. I will tell you I am doing left join. Other O on L dot actor name is equal to O dot actor name. Okay, so why I am doing left join? So see, it might happen that like there's few actors, there are few actors for which there is only one record, that is a record about their latest movie, and then there is no record about their other movies. Okay, there is only one record, so that actor detail will get stored in the latest table. Okay, because that one record will get the rank one, so it will have that record. But in the previous in the other table, it will not have that record because there is only one movie of that actor. But we have to do it for all the actors. Okay, we have to do it for all the actors. So if we are going to do inner join, it is going to leave those actors that has only one movie, because in this table, in the other table, we do not have records of those actors which have done only one movie, or whose only one movie is included in this data. So that is why we are doing left join, so that all the actor list will be included. Okay, so this is what we have done. Now, what we have to return? We have to return actor name. So let's take L dot actor name. Then, what we have to return? We have to return their average lifetime rating. That is that we have calculated from this other. Okay. So I'm going to write down O dot average rating. Now, one more thing. If there is only one record of some actor, uh, okay, so we are not calculating average rating of that actor, right? Because we are only calculating average rating of all the other films that are not latest, so where the rank is one. Okay, but if for some actors, if there is only one movie, so the rank is going to be one. There is no movie for that rank is going to be greater than one. There is only one record. So in that case, what we have to do, we have to follow this, that if an actor has only one film, return 0 for their difference, and their only films rating for both the average and latest rating field. So their average rating is going to be the rating of their latest film. Okay, if there is no other record present for that actor. So here what I'm going to write down, I'm going to write down if null. If null works as if else, like if not this, then this. So for any actor, if there is no more than one record, so we are going to take the latest rating as their average rating. So I'm going to write down L dot latest rating. Okay. Then what we have to take? Then we have to take latest rating. It is mentioned that we have to take the rating of their most recent film that we have calculated in this, right? In this. Here. So it will be available for all the actors. So we do not have to put any condition here. Okay. Now, last what we have to do, we have to find out the difference between two ratings. That is their latest rating and their average rating. So we are going to do what? L dot latest rating minus O dot average rating. Now again for those actors, if there is only one record, we have not calculated average rating. So in that case, what we have to do, the average rating, as mentioned in the question, average rating and the latest rating is going to be same. Okay. So here again, we are going to do the same thing. That is if null, then if average rating is not available, then take latest rating as the average rating, and we are going to subtract. And as we are subtract, if for those actors, if there is only one record, their latest rating and the average rating is going to be same, right? In this condition, is going to be like average rating is going to be nothing, and L dot rating will have the same value, so it will come as 0. So that is why it is mentioned in the question that return 0 for the difference for those actors if there has only one film. Okay, so this is what we have done. Okay, so yeah, let's name this as rating difference. Okay, so yeah, this is the query. We have completed it. Now let's run this so that we can check. We are getting one error. CTE. Okay, so we have to put other as. Now let's run this. Okay, yeah, it is coming. So for Alex Taylor, this is the average rating. This is the latest rating for his latest movie, and this is the subtraction of this and this. Okay, now for Angelina Jolie, see, for Angelina Jolie, there was only one record. Okay, so that is why the average rating and the latest rating is same, and the value is coming at as 0. Same for the Brad Pitt as well. Now for again Chris Evans, the average rating is this, latest rating is this, and subtraction of latest rating with and average rating, it is coming as this. So this is what we have done. Okay, so yeah, now let's do one thing. Let's check the expected output. So expected output is also matching, right? So now let's submit our solution, and our solution got accepted. So this is the query, and the approach that we took. What we did, we first took these columns, then we ranked the films in a way for we partition on the actor name so that each actor will have their own rank on their movie's rating, and we did it based on the release date so that we the all the latest movie will get rank 1. Using that, we created two tables. So whatever the movie is getting rank 1, we put them in latest, and wherever the movie's rank is greater than 1, we put in other table, and then we calculated the average rating and the latest rating. Then what we did, we used this simple subtraction, and we find out the difference between average rating and the latest rating. And if for some actor, if there is only one record, if there is only one movie information, then what we are doing, we are considering their average rating as the latest rating, and we are subtracting the both average rating and latest rating, and it is coming as 0. Okay, so this is what we have done in this question. I hope you understood it. If you have any problem, you can put it in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can put that too in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.